VmWare. So in this tutorial we're going to talk about how you can remove domain controller. Hello guys, welcome back to install uninstall. So in previous tutorial we just have done how to configure domain controller. So in this tutorial we're going to talk about how you can remove domain controller. So let's begin the tutorial, and at first log in into your computer as an administrator. So let's do that first, and the dashboard opens automatically now. So let's see whether we have user configure setup available or not. So as you can see, here's no user groups and other things, so we can't see our user from here. So we need to use our terminal, and you can just go to administrative and do that thing what I did. So it's quite easy. So let's open our CMD and type net user. So there are three users: administrator, guest, and something random. So I'm an administrator. How I can say that? Because just look at your terminal, the users, it's administrator. So I'm logged in as an administrator. So after you have checked that you are logged in from administrator or not, you just need to follow the procedure. But guys, if you guys are not logged in as an administrator, and if your administrator account is not shown in either way, you can just go here and type, and as you can see there are two users, ID was administrator and other user. You'll also see this other user in your PC. So select that and type administrator and type your password and just click next. So that should work, but why is it not working? Yeah, so it will open. So sometimes the capital or small letter for administrator might get problem, so just check with both capital and small letters. And after you have logged in from administrator, open your service manager. If it does not opens like this, then you can just click it here, and then this will open, pop up. And now, as we did before, go to manage and remove roles and features, and now just select next, next again, and uncheck this and remove features. It might take quite time. So yeah, this prompt would also come in your Windows, and this is not a error message, but this is just a message box, and this will help us to remove our domain controller. So now after you guys read this, select to demote the domain controller, and something is going on background. So after it happens, this here should also open so that you can check this box. So yeah, now you can check, uncheck. So don't uncheck this one, but only last domain controller in the domain. So now click next and proceed removal, and select next and select both of these here. In some PCs it might show 3 or 1 only, so you need to select all of this removal option and select next and type your password which you had set while you were configuring domain. So my password was p@ssw0rd, and configure the password again, p@ssw0 RD and select next. So now this prompt will open and select demote, and it has started demoting, so it might take some time to demote. And after this it's demoted, it might restart your PC, so don't panic. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it, like my videos, and do comment. And if you don't like my videos, there is don't like button next to like, you can press that also. So yeah, that was the thing. So this might take quite time. Yeah, now successfully demoted the active directory domain controller, so this will restart automatically. Don't do anything, leave it at it as it is. Whoa, it's going. So now press Ctrl Alt Delete and type your administrator password. So there is only a single user administrator left, so my default password which I have entered in my administrator account did not work. So it might be same for you guys also. So remember last time when you configured the password, that was p at the rate ssword, which we typed while we were removing our domain controller. Sometimes that password would get set to our administrator account after you've removed the domain controller. So let's check that whether that's the password or not. So that's not the password as well. That should be sometimes p at the rate ssw0rd. Yeah, that was the password for me, so it opened my account. So that's how it's removed. And let's check whether it's completely removed or not. So go to this start and right click here and select properties. And now here, as you can see, work group has been changed to work group. Here it was domain and our domain name. And just look at here, your computer name has been changed with this idbus.info something, which domain you have entered there in your previous domain controller. So we can remove that by going to advanced settings, and then computer name and change and more, and uncheck that and remove this. So okay and okay and click OK. So after you close this prompt would come and would ask your PC to restart. So click restart now, and it would restart and remove the name of your domain after your PC name. So now again go there and type your password, in my case, which is p at the rate ssw0rd, and let's check it again. So here properties, and now there is no domain name behind my computer name. So guys, this is how you can remove domain controller from your PC. See you guys in next tutorial, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. See you guys next time.